Isabel, can you go get me a roll of duct tape? That's my girl. Good job.
Rhett, bring me a beer. Good.
Close it. Go close the door. Good job. Good job, Drew. Good boy! Bring it up here. Good boy! You have the paper? Good job!
Hold him and try to get the catch. No, it's alright, just throw it out here. Go, catch the ball. Oh, good catch, mate.
That's it, go get the ball. Oh my god, that's just creepy. Good boy, Dutchie. Achoo. 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 Good boys.
Are you coming? Come on, Moo! Come here, Moo Moo! Come here, Moo! Ah, a good cow. You're a good cow. Oh, not in the house. Good girl.
Let's go get Kit Kats. Where are them Kit Kats? Where are them Kit Kats? Where are them Kitty Cats? Where are them Kitty Cats? Oh, where are them Kitty Cats?
What a good boy you are. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay, this video is called How to Get a Raccoon to Give You a Hug. Come on, give me a hug.
Can you sneeze bigger? Bigger? Sneeze? All right, how's your allergies?
Danny.
Sorry, honey.
Is it fun? Oh, Chris. Check bye.
Hello. Gonna wave? That's it. Wave. Oh, out of town. You gonna wave at us? Come, give us a wave.
What? Say, I love you.
My donkey is breaking in. He's trying to get in that stall. He did it once. Let's see if he does it again. He opens the gate. Watch. Lifts the flap. Slides it over to get in to eat her grain. Oh my God. He's breaking and entering. Oh my God. And there goes.
We need shoes for this? Yes.
Yeah. Say cheese. You gotta go. Monkey, say cheese. Cheese.